how to comment sticker on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you comment sticker on TikTok. To comment sticker on TikTok, you can use the built-in sticker feature within the comment section, provided it's available in your region. So for that, you just want to make sure to update your app. So head over to your search bar, Play Store or an App Store, type in TikTok. Make sure to update the app to the latest version. After updating the app, tap onto the open button, login. Now here, what you want to do is you simply want to make sure to go ahead and just follow the steps, and you just have to go ahead and open the TikTok page where you want to comment. So tap on the comment icon. There you have these add comment section. You can tap open that up. You can then tap onto the sticker icon or the emoji icon, or you could just go ahead and select image just like this. You could tap on edit as well if you want to, or you could just go ahead and select the sticker icon, and that's basically how you're supposed to comment sticker on TikTok. Now, depending on the reason that you are residing there, you could also not find these options, and that's basically how you're done. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.